Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Warsaw, New York this afternoon. Nice blustery day out there. We're going to be installing 65 square feet of Calcutta Classic quartz, the MSI color. We're going to be taking out some old countertops here. We're going to have one seam on this job. We're 1:30 in the afternoon on March 14th.
Part with the stone is, in the stone game, none of the stone's perfectly flat ever, so some of it had a little bit of a warp. So 90% of the time to 95% of the time I get it absolutely perfect, but in the other little bit is you have a little bit of warp, so what you'll try to do is you get the front and the middle to feel as good as possible. You might have that back a little bit. And that's the thing, nobody cares about the back. So.
This is Andy. We're just finishing up our install here today. We have a nice quartz countertop. We're around getting close to 5 o'clock. We rolled in here around 1:30. We had a seam to do here. We had old tops to take out, sink to install. Everything went really well. What do you think of the overall process of picking out your countertop at our place?
Very easy. Lots of selection, lots of choices, smooth, very streamlined.
Okay, what do you think of our templating process?
As modern as it could possibly get.
Awesome. Now, what do you think your final fit and finish here in your seam?
Absolutely perfect. You couldn't ask for anything more.
That's what we'd like to hear. We ask every customer to give us a Google review. Would you be willing to give us a Google review?
Yes, we will.
Awesome. Thank you. We really appreciate your business.
Thank you.